everybody, so if you want to see the unboxing of my Erin Condren, please stay tuned. Alright y'all, so I'm showing it like this because I don't want y'all to see my address. It's up here. So I just want to let y'all know that I didn't unbox it yet, so I'm unboxing it here. So I'm basically going to unbox it here. So this is the box here, and I'm going to cut it open. Ooh, yeah, buddy. So yeah, I am souped right now. Okay, as you guys could see, make the lighter closer. This is what comes with it, all right? And here we have the life. Oh snap! All right, here we go. So here is the Erin Condren. Oh, 20% off. Use coupon. So I'm gonna get me something else. All right, and then they have this paper in here to show you some things here, which is pretty cool. Then they have some other things here. Welcome, enjoy. Go the extra mile. It's never crowded, and that's basically it about that. So yeah, Plnner babes, what's going on? We got these going on. So it says enjoy. They have these things here. So I think these are pretty good. Happy birthday, just a little something. All right. And it says hello. Thanks for your first order. Enjoy these free gift labels. Simplify and style gift. Giving on the go. We look forward to creating something special for you soon. Save 10% off your next purchase. Oh, 10% today. So they got a little welcome thing here. Okay. EC. Oh, here we go. Got the little bubble wrap. Let me show y'all what's going on. What's going on? And it's my first EC planner. Alright, so y'all, let's get the box out the way. Let me show y'all something here. Bam! So I customized a little bit, as you guys see. My name is right here, Charmaine. Okay. Yeah, y'all know that's my real name, my first name. Okay, so we're gonna go through this flip through. This is what the front page looked like here. So it says, oh sorry. All right, so it says be strong and courageous. Joshua 1 and 9. So Charmaine. So I wanted to get this in these colors because you guys know I love blue and white. I'm a Zeta, so yeah, so just had to. Okay, Deluxe monthly planner here. So here we go. Here you go, a little closer, a little closer. Okay. All right. Then it has, you have everything inside you to be and do anything you want. Okay. I don't want to go too fast because I don't know. You have to be to work in a little bit. All right. So here we are here, and oh, okay. Now here we go. All right. So motivation is what gets you started. Planning is what keeps you going. So I wanted to start in November, but November is over, so I should have got it for December. Today's the 30th, so that's okay. It's gone. I should have known, so I should have started for December. So it's December. Your life is a story. Write well and edit often. Okay. Green. I don't like green. But yeah, so here we go. This is the Deluxe monthly, as you guys know. Some little notes. January. What you seek is seeking you. Oh, that's what's up. Okay. Got a lot of notes here. February 2019, okay. Everything you can imagine is real. Okay. Yeah, this is really a planner book. Like, I can write my notes here. This could probably be like my my social media planner or something like that, maybe. Life should not only be lived, it should be celebrated. I might make this my social media planner just to keep my social media, like my YouTube planner or something like that. Nurture your mind with great thoughts. I like this orange. That's May. All right. Create your own sunshine. They got a lot of green in this planner. A lot of green. Okay, it's dated already, so got some notes. Nothing worth having was ever achieved without effort. Okay. Blue is some nice, yeah, like a navy blue here. Forget the mistakes. Remember the lessons. August. Okay. Be fearless in the pursuit of what sets your soul on fire. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Oh, okay. I was trying to see. I was like, why? Okay. And then we got October coming up. Is if plan doesn't work, change the plan, not the goal. Oh, okay. It's orange. All right. October. All right. And it just goes up to October. Okay. Right here. And these are notes. Oh, a lot of notes in the back. A lot of notes in the back. Then it comes with some stickers here. Some little stickers here. Just a little bit of stickers. And a little folder. And it's shine your brightest. Okay. And then this is what the back is looking like. So here we go. This is a deluxe monthly planner. And it's a 2018 to 2019. So we'll start this next month, which is tomorrow. I think this will be like my YouTube planner. I'm trying to figure out what planner to do. I don't know. I have to figure out and see what's going on with this and see how to, you know, plan in this. It might be a YouTube planner, so we shall see. I really need to, you know, this is December. So I really need to, like, I guess put down like what plans and what's going on. Write down what videos I need to edit, what videos need to be edited and stuff like that, or, you know, things of that sort. Like I really have to be a little bit organized and like put down what filming days is going to work and things of that sort. Maybe something like that, just so I can, you know, I don't know. I'm trying to think of what to do. But this was a flip through of the Erin Condren. This is my first one, and I really do like it so far. I have to really figure out what planner am I going to use this for. Like, what am I going to use this for? I really don't know. But I will. You guys will see this more. So we shall see. Again, my name is right here. So you can personalize your Erin Condren, or you could just have it as regular. The more you personalize it, I believe the more you pay. I did get 10% off, and I know my friends was like, yeah, you didn't wait. You didn't wait for the 30%. So yeah, I just have to, when I want something, I have to get it. I don't know. It's just like, that's like when I want something to buy, I mean, that's not good. So that's why I have to, you know, do better, of course, with my budgeting. And I have, though, you know, but I don't think I would use this as a budget planner. I would use this for probably like my like social media, or just solely YouTube. I'm trying to see what should I use it for, so I'm not really sure. So I'm really trying to think right now on the fly, but I can't. So I have to sit down and think about this. I know you're probably like, it's just a planner, but you know, us planner babes have to really, you know, plan and see what this could really fit for. But that's basically about that. But I don't want to take up too much of your time, you guys. This was just a flip through so you guys could see what's going on. I'm so souped. I'm excited. My first Erin Condren, and it's pretty cool so far. This is first impressions. I'm not really giving a review, but I like the way it was packaged. It was packaged very nicely, and as first impressions, and I really like the way, the neatness of it, and I like the personalization of it, and that the fact that it has my name on it and things of that sort. So I really do like it. And I went with the deluxe monthly planner, just like as a start off, since it was my first Erin Condren. This was, you know, more suitable for me. So later on down the line, I'll be able to purchase another one, and I'll know what else I'm gonna ask, you know, one of my friends, you know, cause she loves planners, okay, you know what I'm talking about. But well, she know who I'm talking about. Yeah, so they helped me with the deciding which planner to get. So I decided to get this one, and yeah, so since I have the 20% off, and I think I have the 10% off. Yeah, the 20% off, and then I have the other percentage off, so I'll be able to purchase something else. I might purchase a smaller one and see, but that's just basically about that, y'all. But I am done. I'm gonna have to be to work, so I hope you guys enjoy my flip through, my Erin Condren flip through. Let me know if you guys have one, if you're planning to get one. I know these can be kind of pricey. I'll put the price down below, because I believe it was like $38 or something like that, or $30, I believe. I'm not sure. So I'll put that all down in the description bar below, so you guys check that out before you leave. Please check it out before you leave, okay? And because I can't right now, because I'm about to leave to go to work. But that's basically about that. So yeah, so Erin Condren, I like the packaging. They packaged it very nice and safely, and nothing was out of place. It was pretty good, and you know, my customization, all of it was done correctly. There's no upside down pages or anything of the sort. Everything looks, you know, well in place and things of that sort. So that's just basically it, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this flip through from Erin Condren, my first Erin Condren planner ever, and I will be purchasing more. And again, Erin Condren can be a little pricey, but just look out for the sales and, you know, YouTubers that have, you know, some type of percentage off, so you can save some type of money. Especially I'm on a budget, and, you know, we need to save some type of money, okay? All right, so that's basically it about that, you guys. So yay! So that's basically it about that, y'all. So I hope y'all excited for me as I'm excited to have it, and that's basically about that. So do you guys have one? Will you purchase one? And yeah, that's all I gotta say. All right, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If any questions, comment, please let us know. Peace, bye.